set out at the first light. We lit up with the sunrise. Gets my heartbeat running wild when you're here by my side. And we'll dream out loud. Take our chance, take it now. We will go from this day on. Take this world and make it ours. You and I, all life long. We'll take this world from this day on. We can breathe in the moment. Open arms, we can own it. All these dreams we can run down. Feel it fall into place now. We will go.
Saya nikahkan anak kandung saya yang bernama Andi Nur Aida dengan mahar 1 set emas dan seperangkat alat sholat tunai karena Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saya tinggal dengan dia yang memiliki mahar dan emas yang dapat bersolat tunai karena Allah Subhanahu wa taala.
Dream out loud, take our chance, take it now.